Bitcoin is bouncing and is reaching right now a very important resistance level where I want to talk about in today's video. Can we actually break this resistance, guys? And how does this look macro? Because is Bitcoin ready to see a massive bounce up to 19,000 US dollars? Or are we still going to see Bitcoin dropping lower? Guys, that will be the topic of today's video. Let's jump straight into it. Of course, if you like this content, make sure to smash up that like button. If you are new, make sure to subscribe down below. Very much appreciated. We are almost at 18,000 subscribers. Let's check if we can get that as soon as possible. Then I want to start off, guys, with a tweet that I posted over on Will Portal. Right here we can see that the Bitcoin premium signal nailed it again. And why is that? Because we have the top, we have like a high reading on the premium signal right here, exactly at that bottom at 15.5k. So that was already a sign that, okay, most likely we are going to see a short-term reversal, right? So but that still could be something like this. Let me show you in the chart. It still could be something like this, where we just go up, short-term reversal, and still go down. So the premium signal is actually showing at least a reversal signal. It can be a short-term reversal, it can be a bigger reversal as well. But the other signal that we got after this reversal, guys, was negative funding over on the average funding fee. And you all you guys know what that means. If the average funding fee is negative, then the downside is just quite limited. So right now we are seeing the funding rates being a little bit more negative. So as long as this remains negative, I would say the chances of Bitcoin going up is actually higher, because the majority expects Bitcoin to go down, and most of the time that is not happening then. Bitcoin balance on exchanges, also no warning signals, things is going down, so that is also quite good. So those are the signs over on Will Portal. Then let's go back to the charts right here. We are right now looking at the 4-hour chart, and if I bring out the momentum indicators, guys, we can see that we have a nice bullish divergence on the 4-hour chart. We got a buy signal over on Orion's belt, another momentum indicator. And one thing that I also posted on Twitter yesterday, which I want to show you, is when we zoom out, it would actually really make a lot of sense for Bitcoin to bounce from these levels, right? Like I've been pointing out, we are trading in this declining channel. We can see that the middle of the channel is being respected very much, and that the levels that we are right now is at a key support level. So if we lose it, of course, we can see a bigger drop. But normally it's always more likely to remain in a macro structure, and this structure right now is still that we just touch support. So the chances of bouncing is higher than the chances of breaking, right? This is already a multi-year long declining channel. So this actually looks quite good. And if we zoom in on the daily time frame, then we can see that we have not only on the 4-hour time frame a bullish divergence, but we also got that on the daily time frame. So we have a higher low in the relative strength index, but we got a lower low in the price. So I actually think, guys, that Bitcoin is ready to bounce right here, like we have been saying in the previous videos as well. However, we have to see how this is going to play out. So let's go back to the 4-hour time frame, and let me show you the levels that I'm watching right now. So we got some resistance. Wait, we can also watch it at the 1-hour time frame actually. We got some resistance right here at 16.6k. This resistance has been created since the beginning or early November, and if we break that resistance, guys, then I definitely think that we can see a nice rally in the Bitcoin price, which could get up all the way to 18.6k, even up to 19,000 US dollars. The big question is, of course, going to be back then, or when that happens, whether we are going to get rejected, whether we are going to break it and get rejected, or whether we are going to break it and can find support and continue this uptrend. I do want to remind you that the majority of the people are bearish right now, and the majority of the people are shorting. That's why the average funding fee is negative. So this is a good cocktail for price moving to the upside. If we have a look at the Dixie looks also quite okay, because we had the neckline right here, which we have been testing So actually we want to see the Dixie losing this neckline for Bitcoin to remain bullish. That is very important. We did saw a massive retrace on the relative strength index. That is something to watch. So I will definitely watch the Dixie during this time period. Also, the grayscale Bitcoin chart, we have been talking about that, is looking to bounce so far because we have a nice uptrend in the relative strength index on the 4-hour time frame, right? And we got a lower low in the price. So this looks like this can bounce right here, which will show eventually also more strength for Bitcoin, because this is kind of a Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin trust basically, but often front running as well. If we lose this uptrending in support, then that might indicate that we are going to see lower levels. Then guys, I quickly want to point something out about Genesis. There's a lot of rumors that Genesis maybe is filing for bankruptcy. They were asking for Binance for $1 billion US. Binance refused. So this is something you want to be watching a little bit, this news, because if Genesis will get a bankruptcy filing, for example, then we really have to watch Bitcoin's price, because that could trigger another liquidation event. However, if we are seeing negative news but the price doesn't go down, that is actually very, very bullish if you ask me. But this is just the news that I going to follow a little bit in the coming days, and I will share about this also over on the Will Portal Twitter. So guys, actually Bitcoin is not looking all too bad. We still have some resistance to break, but if we do break it and the funding rates remain negative, I definitely think we can see a nice push. If you want to get notified, guys, whenever we are seeing such a signal over on the premium index, for example, you can consider to sign up for Will Alerts. This is a product that I'm building right now. We are almost finished with the first signals. So everyone who signed up right here and who is a valid or is a confirmed active trader under our affiliate, you will be invited most likely this week to enter the channel. You will get some explanation on which signals we are sharing there, and we are going to expand that every single week. So we are going to add new signals, which will give you as a trader a better grip on the markets, and you won't have to be 24/7 in front of the computer, because you will get all these signals in your Telegram. So whenever, for example, the premium hit a certain extreme and we might see a certain reversal, that is automated, and you will get a signal over on Telegram exactly when we have a high reading, just like a lot of other signals that are valid on there. And right now, guys, you can join this service for free. The only thing you need to do is you need to join an exchange. Down below, you can just click on this image right here and it will redirect to that exchange with the affiliate link from Will Portal. There you can sign up. I would highly recommend you to do so on Bybit. Bybit is the best exchange, especially during these times, with the biggest bonus right now, up to $30,000 US and 0% fees on your trading. Later this service, we will need to charge a monthly rate for that, but if you are already inside just being an active trader, then you can already reserve your spot. So this is actually a very good opportunity for both of us. It's an opportunity for me to create some funding for Will Portal, which I can use to continue to develop this platform. And this is a massive opportunity for you, because you are right here as a early community, so you can get the chance to join without spending a single dime, but still enjoy the massive service that we are building right here. So if you like that, guys, you can find more information on willportal.com. I'll leave a link down below in the description as well. Guys, also, I want to tell you that I have been created a cryptocurrency trading course. Most of you guys know about that. I've helped hundreds and hundreds of people. Right now, I have a discount which is closing very, very soon. You can enroll to my cryptocurrency trading course with a 50% discount using the code BOTTOM. Bottom, all capital letters. If you go to the blockchaintoday.com, I have a link down below in the description as well. You click on the Profitable Cryptocurrency Trader course. There you can fill in the code. You will get a 50% discount. This discount is closing soon. So if you are interested in enrolling for that course, take advantage right now while you can. Guys, I want to thank every single one of you for watching this video, and I wish you all a great day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.